हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शर्मा जी के रोबोट। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे कैसे हम टिंकर कैड का यूज़ करते हैं और टिंकर कैड क्या होता है, कैसे उस पर हम लॉगिन करते हैं और लॉगिन करने के बाद सर्किट डिजाइन कैसे करते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं कि टिंकर कैड क्या होता है और उसको कैसे यूज करते हैं।
My name is Akhilesh. Today we are going to discuss about Tinkercad. Why Tinkercad is important and how can we use and how can access this Tinkercad. So first of all, you have to open your browser and put tinkercad.com. After that, you have to find there's a two option login and sign up. So you have to click on the sign up option and then you have to find here start as educator, a student, join a class, or if you have a personal account, you have to click create a personal. If you have already your account, you can click on sign in option. So I'm going to create a personal account. If you want to log in with your Google account, you can choose that one. If you want to choose sign in with Apple, you have you can click on the Apple sign in. So first of all, you have to click on sign in with Google. If you have your personal Google account, your Gmail account, you can log in with that. So after login, you can find here the design options. So you have to click on the design option. And after that, you have to find your designs. If you want to create circuit, you have to click on the create and choose circuit. After some time, you can find here, there's a virtual platform where you have to create your own circuit with the help of lots of component. You can see here, there's a resistor, LED, push button, potentiometer, Arduino microbit, lots of component, electronics and components you can find here. So this is the platform where you have to create your own virtual circuit. If you want to take any circuit or any component, you have simply you can drag and drop these components. Okay, so this is the LED light emitting diode. If you want to take any other component, you can simply drag and drop this component on this platform. So if you want to connect these two components, simply you have to click on the first component and you have to click on that second component. So this is the wire. With the help of this wire, you can connect these two components. If you want to change the color of this wire, you can simply click on that wire, and with the help of this option, you can change the color of the wire. You can see here red wire. If you want to choose any other color, you can do that. And if you want to change the shape of this wire or any other type of wire you can click here. You can see here, this is the alligator connector. So lots of things you have to find on this virtual platform. If you want to delete these things, you have to simply click on that component and click on the delete option. If you want to rotate something, you can simply click here and click on the rotate option. If you want to annotate something about this register, simply you have to select this one and take this annotation here and write about that this is register. So this is a very easier platform where you have to take all the components and then create your own circuit